Just a quick video to let you know that Larry Benedict has slashed the price for his one ticker trader service. So if you've been on the fence and wanted to join, now is the perfect time to do it. Larry has slashed his price for just $19, which locks your membership in for one whole year. The original price is $4.99. So you're getting a huge discount. I don't know what that is, but that's well over 90% off. Might be 95%. But anyway, you can join for $19 if you want to join. Link in the comment description below, and you get all of his special reports for free. I'm just going to tell you a little bit about how Larry's service works. Now, Larry is one of the best options traders out there. It's how he built his career. He ran a hedge fund. I can't remember the name of it, but he built the hedge fund up to $1 billion and made many of his clients tens, if not hundreds of millions of dollars. And then he joined One Ticker Trader, and he wanted to teach people his experience. Now, Larry is a decades-long options trader, and basically Larry's core philosophy with trading options is he's a mean reversion trader. So basically, when a stock is either oversold or undersold, it usually snaps back, and that signals Larry to place an options trade. Now, the type, I'm not going to go deep into this, but the type of options that you'll be trading is you'll be buying call options if the stock is going up in price, and you're being put options if the stock is going down. And the beautiful thing about options is you can profit from a stock whether the price of a stock goes up or down. And another beautiful thing of it is you're not actually buying shares directly. You're just buying the options contracts and then selling them back to the market for more than you bought them for. So you're not doing buy or hold. This is a short-term trading investment strategy. And for each of Larry's trades, you could earn anywhere from 20 to 100% plus in as little as a couple of days. So that is really Larry's philosophy. So if you really ever wanted to, earn extra income from stocks or grow your retirement account further from stocks without doing the usual buy and hold, options trading is for you. Larry's been on form in 2025. He's got an 80% win rate with his trades. So he has been on absolute fire. So what I'm going to do very quickly is just show you around. This is the issues and updates. So this is where you get the buy and sell alerts. So this is the sell alerts. This is basically the, buy alerts. So this is for UNG calls. 90. So this is the natural gas fund, which is trading in natural gas, which is huge at the moment. So you're buying to open the UNG. This is the ticker. It's the expiration date of the option. It's the strike price that Jeff believes is going to be exceeded before April 17th. And we're buying a call option here because the stock is envisioned to go up. And this is the price you pay per share to take out the option, which is $3.30. So that is basically the trade alert. Let's just go back. So that is basically how Larry lists his trades, and you get sell alerts as well. So there we go, and then you get all of Ask Larry Anything, and you get sort of monthly updates, and it's a brilliant. Larry's got his finger right on the pulse. Another thing you get is all the special reports. So you get all of these for free if you join for $19. Each one of these report list a stock that he's going to trade if the conditions are right using call and put options. Skim trade blueprint, which teaches you how to skim profits, whether a stock is going up or down using options. Number one retirement play and energy. Gold multiplier, AI hype spike trade calendar. All of the dates when AI stocks are going to go crazy. How to trade AI stocks with this one stock. You can trade crypto with options, Tesla, and all of these. You can get all of these for free, which lists the strategy for each stock Larry picks. And you also get all of his training videos, which bring you up to speed of how to basically trade options. once you've gone through this, you'll have a foundational knowledge of how to trade options, and you can start placing Larry's options trades. Now, I've been a member since early 2022. I love the service. I've placed many winning trades using Larry's trade alerts, and I love the service. I rate the service 5 out of 5. Can't recommend it highly enough. So if you've always wanted to trade options or find another investment strategy from stocks rather than buying and holding, I'd try One Ticker Trader. So you can join for $90. Link in the comment description below. Get all of the special reports free, and you can basically join risk-free for 30 days. So link in the comments and description below. That's what I've got for you. Hope you found the video useful. Hope you have a fabulous 2026, and I'll speak to you soon.